Merci beaucoup.
Ah, merci beaucoup. Bonjour.
Bonjour. Oh, sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Ah,
Alright.
voilà.
Je m'appelle Jason et toi? Comment t'appelles-tu?
Paya.
Paya. Okay,
Norma.
you? Norma.
Paya
That's
and
easy.
Norma. Merci.
Où vas-tu?
My home.
My home, okay.
Okay.
That's a good one.
Perfect.
So go as far as he goes, right?
Yep. As far as he goes.
We arrived to the eastern point of this island of Rangiroa. And there's a town over here, so just behind these palm trees here. So we're gonna take a look at it. Here's a restaurant that they have. It's a place you can come and eat. And they have really good meals over here, we heard. You can come here, and the attractive part is you can watch the dolphins pass through this channel between when the tides are coming in and out. This is the next island here, and it's a really good viewpoint. Oh, look at that. Got our standard dogs here. Hey doggies. And people are having their breakfast here. Baguette. This is what you get for breakfast if you stay at this place. If you stay in these bungalows, this is where you get to stay. They even get bicycles here, and the nice thing is they're not locked at all because it's so safe here.
Church. Here's where you're gonna stay.
Yeah, here's the Adventist church here in Rangiroa. Wow, but they're still operating out of a tent.
Yeah, this wouldn't have been a great overnight
Man,
spot.
it's even smaller. So we found out it cost $600 per night to... Oh!
That's a video, sorry.
I didn't know you were making a video. Okay, start again.
I'm making a video, but he keeps interrupting by making his own videos and talking over
You
my...
were narrating your video.
I don't narrate my videos because I don't like to do that.
You could just put silent on it. Take the volume out.
I don't want to. I thought I had a moment to do that myself. So that's Jason for you. He's always like over.
I was narrating your video then.
Finish yours.
Okay.
And do mine. I want mine for you. Peace and quiet.
Okay, this one is $600 per night. Done.
But I wanted the activity on the boat. I'll come back again. I'd say you stay out there while I come back again.
Here's the ferry boat that comes into Rangiroa. It's called the Saint X Mar Stella III. They're setting down their boats for the excursions. They're going on the diving excursions. All the tourists are waiting here, and it should be a nice day. We're on the lagoon side again. Is this place open? Oh, it is. They're on the...
Floor space.
That is a lot of floor space.
A lot of floor space. We're trying to pack in the aisles with like product, aren't we?
Not like the other places.
There's always like lots of cracker stuff, you know, just crackers and cookies.
and soda. And canned food. Well, we found a really nice beach here. This might be one of the public beaches here in Rangiroa. This is the ocean side of the island. We still have yet to go on our snorkeling adventure. $600 a night to stay at Kiaora Lodge.
Oh. We're in trouble. We're like warriors.
This is what everyone thinks of when they think of Tahiti. But we're in Rangiroa. Wow, look at that. That's the same colors I saw in the magazine. Got the nice lounge chairs, the pool, the infinity pool here. Got the dock over there to go on your scuba diving trips and excursions. And then over here we got the huts. The Kia Ora Resort. Wow, this place is really nice. Got hammocks over there, lawn chairs. Pristine white sand beaches here. The gym is so fancy, it has its own hut all dedicated to itself. You can take a look inside and there's the gym equipment. This is the ocean side. The tide is coming in and going to the lagoon side. The lagoon side is the calm side, but today's windy, so you see waves on both sides. But not as many waves on this side though. This is the side to go swimming on. Okay, that's good. Wow, so Monet. So you're gonna make oil? Oil? Oil?
Or flowers? No.
No? Oh, for oil, okay.
Yeah, okay. Perfect.
Wow, you got a good chunk of flowers there. It's very healthy, yeah? For Sante?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that's great. Thank you. Oh, here we go. Here's another one.
We stay at the hostel. Yeah.
Tuaroa.
Yeah, totally, yeah. You are a saint. Santa.
All right, good.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
All right. All right.
Perfect.
We made it here, safe and sound.
That's perfect.
I found some sort of greenhouse. Let's see what they're growing in here. What the heck is this? I don't even recognize this type of plant. That's a new one. Alright, we're gonna go snorkeling here. So Laurent picked me up again for the second time. That was very good. Merci beaucoup. Où vas-tu maintenant?
Au village.
Au village, ok. Et
Yes.
comment s'appelle le village?
Course.
Cous.
Yes.
Cous, ok. Alright, je m'appelle Jason. Comment t'appelles-tu?
Laurent.
Laurent, ok. Merci beaucoup. À combien d'années tu habites en Rangiroa?
Auto.
Oh, tu.
Yes.
Mais combien d'années tu habites ici?
Depuis 98.
98. Okay, so 5 ans. 5 ans?
Plus.
Oh,
98.
98.
Yes,
What is that?
1998.
Oh yeah, 98.
25 ans, 26 ans.
Oh, 25 ans.
Voilà,
Wow,
25
beaucoup de
ans.
Quelle ville in France tu viens?
Bretagne, Saint-Malo.
Okay, quel est l'aéroport, cirque? Quel aéroport?
Aéroport,
Yeah.
Orly, Charles de
Orly.
Gaulle. Charles de
Oh,
Gaulle.
okay. Alright, that's good. Alright, tu aimes l'île?
Yes.
Yeah, okay,
Very
that's
good.
very good. Alright, great. Alright, well I made it here to the capital town of Rangiroa, and the town is called Avaturo. Here's the church. So that's number one attraction. Next thing we want to go and see is the end of this road. Surprisingly, Laurent picked me up. He was the same driver that dropped us off earlier, so I was lucky on that part. He said that to rent a place here is about $1,000 per month, but that's for a whole house. And he didn't know exactly, it depends actually. This is the main capital town of this island, and I wanted to come visit this place just to get an idea, because this is the most populated part of Rangiroa, which is actually a 12-minute drive from the airport, or about an hour and 10 minutes if you walk. So let's see what's happening. Plenty of dogs. Dogs seem to be everywhere, but they're all peaceful here in Polynesia. No problems at all. I found the port where the big boats dock. There's the next island, and the current is going in and out depending on the high tide or low tide. Right in the middle there's a island. Now I can't determine if there's a house on there or whatnot, but that's it right there. And man, this water is pretty blue. You can almost see to the bottom depending on the sun angle. Here's the Commune de Christ, the Community of Christ, which is an offshoot of Mormonism. Now I couldn't think about 98 when I was with Laurent, but that was 1998 when he actually came here. So he's been here for 25 years, enjoying it, working at the Kia Ora as the chef. He put his cooking skills to the test, working at one of the resorts here, so not bad. He enjoys it here. Always picking up the hitchhikers, so that was pretty good. Now, this is the second church I've seen. We're gonna see what else we find here. But I'm making the circle. Well, there doesn't seem to be anything down this way. Here's Pension Le Mero Bleu. And then this is a private driveway. Not much to see here. Pretty desolated, I'd say. Doesn't seem like anybody's home either. Guess we'll zoom in. Oh, here's the surf park. That Google Map thing was not correct. This is where it is. People come here to surf. Oh, there are the surfers out there. And that's true. It's the place to find surfing. Let's see what the waves are doing. No, he didn't stand up.
What?
Well, fans are always on sale. Let's see. Fans are $65. There's the produce section. It's prohibited to eat or drink in the store. Alright, here's the Seventh-day Adventist Church. The other one was just a makeshift one for the other part of the island, but this is the western part of the island. Yeah, pretty nice compound. This is the church here, and this is the outdoor area. What else do they have? They have a water tank, and of course there's a sign right here. but their sign should be a little higher because you can't see the town's name. Oh, there we go. I finally found the cemetery here. I was wondering where they keep it. It's basically in the capital town. Now the nice thing about Rangiroa is you always find trash bins around, so there's always a spot to put your trash in, unlike Tikihau. This is how the locals entertain themselves. Okay, let's see how he does. He stays at our hostel. Alright, here he goes. Wow. That's a good one. Let's see if I can call home. Hello? Yeah, this is Jason. I'm here in Rangiroa. I'm using one of these payphones. Yeah, I'm surprised it still works. After all these years, it still works over here. Yeah, I'm just walking around Avaturo, and then I'm gonna hitchhike back to the hotel, the hostel I'm staying at. Yeah, I'm staying at Turiroa Hostel. Yeah, it's pretty good. We're here for 4 days and 3 nights. Okay? Alright, yeah, I just thought to give you an update. Alright, take care. Alright, bye. Well, that worked. That was interesting. Don't even know where there's not even a place to put your coins. You just dial the number. Oh, look who's coming. Here we have the city hall, also known as Mari de Rangiroa. It encompasses these 3 places: Vavau, Nui, Avatoro. It's where all the government officials come and take care of business. They have a nice little place here, nice interior garden. They have nicely maintained. It was built in March 16 of 2000. Finished a day worth of scuba diving here. Now they're just packing up to take the boat back to their place. People love scuba diving in Rangiroa. We have Bennett Market over here. Well, here's the price list up here. Wow, that's so complicated. That's a lot of reading to do. Now, I always find abandoned houses here. Like, this is an abandoned house. But then this one is relatively new. But no driveway to enter. I'm just headed out of town now. It's gonna take me now about an hour to walk unless I find a ride. Let's see what they're selling over here. It says Ouvert ce soir. It's open tonight. Oh, they're selling this. Okay. Oh, what's happening? What's happening, buddy? Come on. So many dogs here. Combien de minutes tu veux? Tu comptes sur combien de minutes?
J'arrive bientôt là.
Où?
J'arrive là bientôt.
Oh, bientôt.
Ouais.
Oh, okay. Alright, no problem.
Sorry.
Oh, man.
Your
No,
friends?
no, not my friends.
Yes, my little brother.
Oh, really?
Coming back just for the weekend.
Oh, okay, nice. From where?
From Tahiti.
Oh, Tahiti, okay.
Yes. He works at the airport.
Ah, the
With,
airport.
My brother,
Uh-huh.
my older brother, they all two. He's
Oh.
the chef of chef. Don't know how to say. The chef of bagage.
Oh, the bagage. Okay, I see. So he just comes 2 days and he goes home. Oh, okay, nice.
Dimanche.
Dimanche.
Stay here for 2 nights.
Oh, yeah, Sunday. Okay. Which airline?
At Tahiti.
Air Tahiti. Okay.
Yes, not the M1 because they worked at Tahiti.
Oh, okay. What time does the flight land?
Just 1 hour.
Oh, okay.
Yes, 1 hour or
All right,
55 minutes.
Yeah, 6:30. Okay. So many dogs.
Yes. No.
Oh, oui.